If you're looking to integrate Folk CRM with Google Drive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process in under 5 minutes, giving you all the details you need to get started smoothly. Stick around, because I'll also show you how you can use Folk CRM for free, with exclusive bonuses available only through the link in the description. Folk CRM is a simple but powerful tool designed to streamline your customer relationship management. It helps you organize your contacts, manage your workflows, and collaborate with your team all from one platform. What makes it especially useful is its ability to integrate seamlessly with Google Drive, which is what we'll be focusing on in this video. This integration allows you to sync your documents and files, ensuring that everything is in one place and accessible from within the Folk CRM interface. Now, let's dive into the integration process. First, open your Folk CRM account and head over to the settings. From there, look for the Integrations tab. Once you find it, you'll see Google Drive listed as one of the available integrations. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the account that you want to integrate with Folk CRM. Once logged in, Folk will ask for permission to access your Google Drive. This is important because the CRM needs permission to read and sync your files. After granting permission, you'll be able to start linking Google Drive folders and files to your contacts and tasks within Folk CRM. Next, it's time to link specific Google Drive folders to your contacts. This is a game changer for teams who need quick access to relevant documents without leaving the CRM. By associating Google Drive folders with contacts or projects, you eliminate the need to switch between apps. You can view, upload, and share documents directly within Folk CRM, which makes managing your workflow much more efficient. For example, imagine you're working on a deal with a client. You can upload contract documents, meeting notes, and project timelines directly from Google Drive into their contact profile in Folk CRM. This integration saves time and keeps everything organized in one place. Now, a big benefit here is that every time you update a file in Google Drive, that update will automatically reflect in Folk CRM. If you're collaborating with a team and using Google Docs or Sheets, any changes made to those files will be visible in real time. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and working with the most up-to-date information. At this point, you're probably wondering what this looks like on a practical level. Let's say you're managing a client project with multiple deliverables. You can set up a Google Drive folder for that project, link it to the client's profile in Folk CRM, and keep all documents associated with that project in one place. This setup minimizes the risk of losing track of important files and makes sure your whole team has easy access to everything they need. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. If you're new to Folk CRM, you can use the software completely free through the link in the description below. Plus, we're offering an exclusive extended trial for those who want to dive even deeper into the features. Don't miss out. This is a great way to explore how Folk CRM can streamline your business operations, especially with its Google Drive integration. If you found this video helpful, remember that integrating Folk CRM with Google Drive is just the beginning. There's so much more this software can do for your business, so take advantage of the free trial and see for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below for your extended trial.